Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast Home. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sarah.
Today, we have a fun story for you about a surprise at the coffee shop. By the end of this episode, you'll learn new English phrases for greetings, ordering food, and expressing excitement.
That's right. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's enjoy the story.
Scene 1. At the coffee shop. It's a sunny morning, and Mia walks into her favorite coffee shop. She looks around.
Oh, this place is so cozy. I hope they still have my favorite caramel latte.
Barista, Tom. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, Tom. I'd like a caramel latte, please, and maybe a blueberry muffin.
Sure thing. Coming right up. Language tip. Sarah.
Notice how Mia says, "Hi, Tom, I'd like." This is a polite way to order something in English. You can also say, "Can I have?" or "May I get?"
Adam. Mia finds a small table near the window. She takes out her notebook to write. Suddenly,
Oh, is that Alex? I haven't seen him in years.
Alex? Wow, what a surprise. How have you been?
I've been great. And you?
I'm good too. Just moved back to town. I didn't expect to see you here.
Here, you learn phrases for expressing surprise. What a surprise. I didn't expect to see you. And wow, all common in everyday conversation.
They start talking about their lives.
So, what are you doing now?
I'm working at a marketing company downtown. It's challenging, but fun. How about you?
I'm still teaching English. Actually, I was just planning lessons for my students today.
That's amazing. You always love teaching.
Notice the use of questions and short answers. Asking, "How about you?" is very common in conversation.
Can we order something together?
Sure, let's get 2 coffees and a slice of chocolate cake to share.
Tom, barista. Coming right up. Language tip. Adam. Here we learn phrases for ordering for someone else. Can we get? I'd like to order for both of us. We'll share.
I'm so glad we met today. It was such a nice surprise.
Me too. Let's not wait years before meeting again.
And that's the end of our story. Notice how we use "I'm glad," "It was nice to," and "let's," all useful phrases for everyday conversations.
That's all for today's episode of Learn English Podcast Home, episode 13.
We hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful phrases.
Don't forget to practice these phrases with your friends. See you next time.
Bye.